Lapalat kendai Sngi Shong Kyllain Mungor Nonghikai All Meghalaya SSA School Teacher Association Nonghikai Sngap Mynthie ka Sorkar ka All Meghalaya SSA School Teacher Association ka seng Nonghikai Shong Kyllain Mungor Hamadan Malki menta la kumba kendai Sngi lenter kata kila sedang men haka shitri gurisau arjar arpusau halor ka jingdawa ka jongki ban kiuno ya katulab ka jongki syaka spa persen kane ka seng Nonghikai Kalio jingkersyan nakiseng balang baper kentup ya ka HYC. Haba jingkren nakaliang presiden kaseng HYC uroi kupar sendrem ulong baka Sorkar ka jupai kemat badle lutput ya ka peladeng ka jongka tang hagi kam tamasa kibuyo jing mentoy tang kato kan yang ngode kibriu shimet bad ka bom don rim ha ru bad ulong ru bana kaliang kaseng kan kersyan bad yarap ya kane ka khya ka shon Nonghikai. Hakane kasni kila penlong gijingelang pajba bat haka jingelam u presiden ka All Meghalaya SSA School Teacher Association uba Peter Ternyang rengkat kawi kasur haka jinge menjurlang jong barok Nonghikai SSA kila rai menligbu ya ke memorandum has sekretariat
teacher or of my teachers, so I understand the responsibility and I understand the what respect should I give to the teachers concerned or the teachers of our state. That is what made us as an organization to, whenever possible, of course we are not an organization with so much money, so much rich, we don't compose of leaders who are rich, but whatever we are able to help, we try to help our teachers and whoever comes and protests for their rights to the government. If you see and look at the state of affairs of our state, it's not only the SSA teachers. We have experienced the protests of numerous groups of teachers. You have the deficit, you have the government school teachers, you have the fast tongue, and everyone who have been, in order to get their rights, they have to come on the street. They have to sleep on the pavement. They have to sleep like what you are doing now in this ground. That is the sorry state of affairs in our state. Our leaders are more concerned about holding festivals. They are more concerned about paying or about benefiting a few selected individuals, giving them perks and facilities, although they are not supposed to enjoy those perks and facilities. But when it comes to the people who are really contributing to the society, to the state, they keep a blind eye. That is the sorry state of affairs in the state of Meghalaya. They have money to hold different kind of festivals. I've just seen one calendar produced by the Meghalaya Tourism Department that from this month onward, there will be around 8 festivals to be sponsored by the government of Meghalaya along with private parties. What does those festivals give us benefits? That is the question we want to ask our state government. And the irony is that in our state, the only airport in the world where a plane doesn't land or a plane doesn't take off, but the airport that is being used only for holding concerts and other festivals. I think every one of you knows that. The Baljek airport in Garhwales is supposed to take off flights and landing of flights. But in the state of Meghalaya, the Baljek airport is used only for holding festivals and for holding concerts. It's not only that. People who have already been elected as MLA, they get their salary, 1 lakh or 2 lakhs, along with other benefits, along with other perks. But still, they're being appointed as advisors, they're being appointed as chairman of various council, various committees, and they're being paid handsomely. In addition to what they are being earned as MLAs, the government of Meghalaya has money for such an expenses, but they don't have money to enhance the salary of our teachers, who are the pillars. If you want to build a strong Meghalaya, if you want to build the human resource who would contribute toward the development of Meghalaya, I think the teachers have a very important role to play. But if the government does not recognize the work put in by our dear teachers, then how will they will be able to pay, or they will be able to to live a dignified life. 19,000 or 20,000 per month in a era or in a time where the prices of essential commodities are being sold or are skyrocketed each day. How do we expect our teachers to survive? How do you expect our teachers to send the children to good schools? How do we expect our teachers to take care of their beloved one in case they fall ill?
They are teachers. We all know as to why we are compelled to gather here in this playground. All of us know we are having our own duties. Am I right? Yes. We have to go to the school. We have to follow the norms given by the state government. And we have to follow it. We have to give teaching in the schools to our students. But why we are compelled to come here, together here, and as to why we are compelled to come out with this sit-in demonstration, we all know. Till today, the state government is reluctant to fulfill our demand. That is the enhancement of our salary. All of us know, till today, the state government is, till today our issues are not addressed by the state government. Still the state government is reluctant to fulfill our demands. Our demands are not met by the state government. So, I would like to give a big shout against the state government if they fail to fulfill our demands. I will shout no enhancement of salary. You have to shout it with a loud voice. No raise. Okay?
No raise!
No enhancement of salary.
No raise!
No enhancement of salary.
No raise!
No enhancement of salary.
No raise!
Yes. Are you ready to go ahead? Are you ready to continue with our agitation?
Yes!
Okay.
Demand our salary enhancement from the government. For the last 8 years, the government did not increase our salary. As we have seen by the skyrocketing price hike, and day to day, yesterday I went shopping with my wife and they said, oh, the price of the rice and the oil has increased again. I said, yeah, only 2 days back I purchased and now again rice. So this is the reality, this is the scenario that we are facing. But the sad thing is that our salary is not increasing for the past 8 years. This is very, very sad thing. From our part, we have tried our level best to pursue the government from various dimensions, but yet we see no action from the parts of the government. Therefore, we are here today. Since the 1st of October, we are all here sitting, sleeping in the rain, in the cold, in the night, and we had also our friends who even brought their young ones with them because they felt that they need to support our cause.
Respected judges, so are you ready to march to Secretariat for submitting the memorandum? Are you ready?
Yes!
Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, now the decision is that we are marching to the Secretariat to submit the memorandum that we are demanding from the government to speedy our enhancement salary of 100%.